I'm just going to dust the dough a little bit with flour, and then I'm going to scale it at 950 grams each. So I'm just going to cut the dough into sections, and then I'm going to scale them at about 950 grams. Then each piece I'm just going to fold over into a little round ball. So I have no flour on the table. The dough is sticky underneath, so I'm cupping my hands. The dough is going to stick here on the table, and as I pull, you can see it gathers into a ball. It's developing structure, texture. Rotate it 90 degrees and do the same. Rotate it 90 degrees and pull, and you can see it's forming a beautiful little ball or boule. Really nice elasticity in the dough. Done. I'm going to cover them with a couche, and couche means to sleep. So they're going to sleep under the canvas for a half an hour. Okay, so we're going to do what's known as a stitching technique. So the dough is on the table, and you can see it's actually stuck on the table. The top side is floured, so it's not so sticky. So I'm going to lift it and put the floured side down, so I have the sticky side up. So I fold it over, pull it out, go left, and I go right, flatten it down. Then I pull the top up, let it settle down. You can see the dough hasn't stuck to the table, so then I'm going to do what we call a stitching technique, left and right. Just flatten out gently, and then I'm just going to curve it in, very little pressure because I want to preserve the bubbles on the inside, and then with the flat of my hand I'm just going to rub it off the table. You can see this nice tension built into the dough. And then we'll put it into its proving basket. So again, another lift, stitch, left, right, left, right, left, right. stretch.